Welcome to a tutorial on the sound of English. My name is Andrea Valdión and the other members are Roger Farias, Nayeli Acosta, Justin Bisueta, and Luis Abarca. We are group number 2. The topic we are going to discuss today is the anatomy of speech, the articulator. The articulators are essential for the production of speech. They are divided into two types, active and passive. The active one includes organs such as the tongue, lips, and soft palate, which have the ability to move and modify the flow of air coming from the lungs. These movements are crucial to form various sounds, such as a vowel and consonant. On the other hand, passive articulators are those that do not move, such as the teeth, hair palate, and elbow, but provide critical contact points for active articulators. For example, the tongue rests on this fixed point that generates sounds such as dental or alveolar consonant. In addition, the way in which active articulators move, such as unrounding the lips or raising the soft palate to block the passage of air through the nose, influence the quality of the sound produced.
Hello teacher, I can explain the key concept. This is one the sound of English, the phonemes, the visual magic. We have three with the different branches, like the branches present of different sound in the English. And the basic sound in the main of words, and then for example, in the word cat, in their sound, they keep out and T. So in two, the vocal and consonants. And the visual imagery is the eye and sound, vowels and vowel and consonants. And the A, E, I, O, U, and there are more sound open sound. In the consonant, the sound that N, and the more the blockers in the mouth, such as the B, T, is. So in tonation and writing, the visual of graphing the imagery, the graph to both the gum up and down, and how the rise and lower, and voices that when we speak like the sound, they help make the communication more interesting. And the syllables is interesting in the visual imagery that I can cut into pies, and the parts into which the word can be divided, for example, banana, ba-na-na, having 3 syllables, and the other words happy, and 2 the syllable. So in the strategy for children well expressing need, the one the picture plays, they use the picture and trying to associate some the pictures to some playing and some imitation activity using toy that make noise, and the movement and the associate each other sound in the other movement, and subject carefully for each the syllables. And technology interactivities the appeal that teach the sound visual and auditory.
The interactive elements in this case is the questionnaire. We are going to ask some AR questions and we are going to make it interactive. You are going to answer each of the thing. For example, which articulation do you use to make P sounds? Exactly, is lips. Which part of the vocal tract is used of T and D? Is the tongue. Which articulations use C some sound of think? Think. The answer is teeth and tongue. Which part of the mouth is used of L sound of the sheep? Is hard palate. Which part vocals we say is C sound? Is the vocal cords. What articulations do we use produce sound like M? Is answer is nose. What is the articulation is velar sounds like K and in cat is the soft palate and back the tones. That this quiz in the Quizlet over quickly rewind key concepts. Would you like to add more questions or examples? Also, in the each image, we will find the Quizlet line where you can interactive more often. This is for part. Thanks.
Hello, my name is Luis Abarca, and now I'm going to explain a little more further about the examples of this case. Let's begin with the first of the all the articulators that we are going to talk in this place. So the first one are the lips. Did you know that they are like superheroes when it comes to making the P and B sound? Just close and open them super fast and you will get it. The tongue, or superstar, moves up, down, left, and right. It's like a ninja making all kind of sounds. Now is the turn for the palate. We have the soft palate that is the cool spot behind the hard one that lifts up like when you say ka and get. Try it. And the hard palate that is in your mouth rooftop. You use it every time you say shh, just like when you say she. The teeth. Oh, they are more than for chewing gum. They help with F and V. Feel the air between them. Now is the turn for the glottis. That little gate in your throat allows you to whisper A. Cool, right? The vocal cords shake and make sounds like T and V. Can you feel the bass when you say Tibra? The alveolar ridge, that small bumpy the part behind your teeth, is the boss for sounds like T and S. It's the secret headquarters for many sounds. Now it's the turn for the velum. Say sing and feel how your soft palate moves with the NJ. It's like backstage mover. And for this video, the last one is going to be the nasal cavity. That is our air highway. When you say M or N, the air flows through our nose. Can you feel it?
Hello. Speech anatomy plays a crucial role. Songs are produced when air passes through different parts of mouth and through no an articulator. This articulator controls the airflow and the vibration of vocal cords to create this speech sound. Articulators are divided into two groups, active and passive. The active ones are that move to produce sound, such as the lips, tongue, and vocal cords. And the other hand, passive articulators do not move but interacting with active ones, such as the palate and teeth. The most important articulators are lips, teeth, alveolar, rhyme, palate, belong, and vocal cords. Understanding the role of articulation is essential for mastering English pronunciation. Active and passive articulation work together to shape a speech sound, while vocal cord vibration determines voices. Mastery of the elements leads to clarity and more accurate communication in English. And recommendation to improvise your pronunciation, practice in defining and controlling each articulation with producing a specific sound. Recording yourself and comparing is why native speaker can also help refine your speech and make accents. Thank you for watching.